What's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's video, we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A32, the 4G variant. Now, as you might have guessed, there's a 5G variant, but this is the 4G variant for Africa, so it's also a dual SIM. So let's just take a look at the box before we go inside. Now, a disclaimer before we start. The seal is broken, so this is not the first unboxing, although it's only the wrap that's missing, but the unboxing experience will be exactly like this for a new Galaxy A32. We just had to check it out because of something. Now, this video is sponsored by SkyTech, who made this phone available to me for this video, so shout out to them. They deal in all kinds of tech. They do smartphones, iPhones, Android phones, laptops, Macs, anything you need, including the new PS5 is available at SkyTech. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Anyway, let's get right into it. So as you can see, the front of the box is the Galaxy A32. You can see there with a 2-year warranty, and you can already see what the phone looks like. I went for the black finish, so you can already see what the phone might look like when you go in the box. So on the side, there's really nothing. On the back, nothing much. Then the other side, it says Galaxy A32. At the top of the box is nothing, but at the bottom I got a sticker there with some information about the phone. So you can see right there, they're calling this color the Awesome Black, and you can see it has 128 gigs internal storage and 6 gigs of RAM. So without further ado, let's get in the box. So the unboxing experience is going to be pretty much like any other Samsung you might have used before. So there you go, the box is right there. And at the top there is a little box which now reveals the phone, which I'll get to in a minute. But inside this box is probably, let's see. So inside that box you get this really nice case which should protect your phone. It's a really nice texture to it. It's very grippy as well, especially if the phone is going to be slippery. And then you also get some paperwork, start guide and all, and more paperwork. And even more paperwork in Arabic, and even more paperwork. So there's a lot of paperwork going on inside this box. So just put that to the side, and then the phone. All right. So the phone itself, that is. So you can see it's a plastic bag. They say it's plastic, but it really feels and looks very premium. Of course, it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. You can already see how many fingerprints are in there, and that's from just a few minutes of touching it when I first unboxed the phone. But the phone itself looks good. It's a 6.4-inch display. You can see the 3 separate camera bumps for the 3 cameras at the back, and a flash right there, and probably a proximity sensor. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll check it out. And you can also see the notch. It's a U-shaped notch, slightly big bezel there, but let's turn it on and put it to the side as it turns on for the first time. There you go. So put that to the side first, and then let's see what else is in the box. All right, so you get your customary USB-C cable. And so you get also the SIM ejection tool right there, and you also get a charging brick. You can't really take that for granted these days. So this is a 15-watt charging brick with the USB-C port on the side. So that's a good thing and a nice touch right there to still add the charging brick in this mid-range smartphone. So right there, you've already seen everything that's in the box. So I just push that to the side, and let's have a look at this phone. So as you can see already, the power button is on the side, and then you have the volume rockers again there on the side. And what else is there? The SIM tray is at the top of the left side of the phone, and that's it. That's your phone. So like I said, this is not the 5G variant, it's a 4G variant. I haven't put my SIM card in there yet, but that 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display looks really good. Although there's a bit of a bezel at the bottom there, it still looks really good. Even though it's just 1080p, you do get 90 Hz refresh rate, which is not easy for this price point. And that's going to be supported by the 5000 milliamp hour battery on this phone. So that's a huge battery for this price range. And then the phone itself runs Android version 11 straight out of the box with the One UI version of the skin on top of it. So really simple interface, not too clogged up. So it's a pretty neat Samsung interface. So at the back there is the 3 cameras, and then you have an extra sensor there, and of course the flash. And then you also get very minimal looking design of the Samsung logo on the back there. At the bottom, you do get your 3.5mm headphone jack, you get a USB-C port and a speaker on one side. Shout out to SCATEC for making this available and for making this project and video available. But that's the unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Maybe also let me know if you want to see a full review of this phone down in the comment section below. But until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.